Hello friends, welcome to BSc Agriculture. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about fundamentals of biochemistry. I am going to tell unit 2 and the lecture topic is storage lipids, which also contain the fatty acid as well as triacyl glycerols, essential fatty acids and waxes. So while seeing what are the storageable plant fatty acids, so they are carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon chains of 2 to 36. So you must need to remember the carbon present in plant fatty acids is 2 to 36 carbons. So they are used to contain more than 200 types of fatty acids. Has been isolated from higher to lower plant classification. They can be classified as 3 types: major, minor and unusual. So the major fatty acids are just which is found in large quantities in plant lipids, as well as the minor one which is found only in smaller proportion, as well as unusual one which is found only in specific plant species. So while seeing the major fatty acids which is found in all the lipids of in all parts of the plants, so which is saturated as well as unsaturated with an unbranched carbon chains. So the saturated fatty acids are lauric, stearic, myristic and palmitic acid. So the bracket I have denoted is the scientific name of that particular fatty acids. So the unsaturated fatty acids which is oleic and linolenic. So while seeing the structures of fatty acids which is written in the symbol of 2 numbers which is separated by a colon, you can able to see this one. So the first number denotes the number of carbon atoms which is found in the chain, as well as the second number denotes the number of unsaturated centers which is found in that fatty acid. So the position of double bond which is specified by the compound known as delta. Example, you can see in this picture I have given 18:2 bracket delta 9,12. So the 18 denotes that carbon contain, the fatty acid contain 18 carbons, as well as there are 2 double bonds which is found at 9th carbon as well as the 12th carbon. So the 2 denotes the number of unsaturated centers, as well as the delta number denotes where that center is present. So it is the structure of the fatty acid. So I have given the structure as well as the common skeletal compound and the systemic name as well as the structure of the major fatty acids. If you want, you can able to see that in the lecture notes of the description. So the minor fatty acids. So while coming to minor fatty acids, they are mostly found in cows and goat milk. So which is characterized by the high content of short to and medium saturated fatty acid chains. So example, I have given only 4, which is butyric, caproic, carblic as well as capric. So unusual fatty acid which is found only in individual species or genes of the whole family. So example, castor bean which contain a unusual fatty acid known as ricinoleic fatty acid which is 90%, and the scientific name is 12-hydroxyoleic acid. I have given the structure below. And the second one of the unusual fatty acid is rapeseed which contain erucic acid, where its structural form is cis-13 docosanoic acid, and the other one is hynocarpic as well as kaolmocric acid which is found in Kalmogara oil used for the treatment of leprosy. So the essential fatty acids, I have used to see the classification. Now seeing the essential fatty acids which are not usually biosynthesized by the human body, but they are used to required for its normal growth and maintenance, and which is only used to be supplied through their common diet. Example, linoleic acid as well as linolenic acid. So from dietary, linoleic and linolenic acids are said to be synthesized from the human foods we are consuming. So after that we are going to see about N6 family as well as N3 family of fatty acids. While seeing the first one, N6 family, where the 6th carbon from methyl N possesses the double bond, and the members of the adipose tissue, liver, muscle, kidney and the reproductive organs used to contain more number of N6 family of fatty acids. They are linoleic acid as well as gamma linolenic acid and arachidonic acid are the examples of N6 family. And the other one is N3 family, which is where you can able to found the third carbon of the methyl and possess the double bond, where it is mainly found in the nervous tissue of the human body and retina of the eye. They use it to give the fish oil and spirulina, where the rich source of N3 family. Example, alpha linolenic acid. So I have given the structures of essential fatty acids like linolenic acid, alpha linolenic acid and arachidonic acid of the N6 family. You can see it. And what are the significance of EFA? So the first one I am going to tell is arachidonic acid, which is the precursor synthesis of eicosanoid, which is a 20 carbon compound. Example, prostaglandin, thromboxane and prostacyclin are said to be known as the precursor synthesis of eicosanoids. And phosphatidylinositol, which contain arachidonic acid in the carbon 2 of glycerol and provides a major store of eicosanoid precursors, which mainly contain the cell membrane phospholipids. They use it to have a stimulation of hormone and cleaved into the diacyl glycerol and inositol phosphate, which acts as an internal signals or as well as the secondary messengers of our nervous system. So after that we are going to see about storage of fats and oils, which is triacyl glycerols, which is distributed in the plant kingdom, where it can be found even in vegetative as well as the reproductive tissues, but normally they are stored in the endosperm of the seed. And even though some of these fats are stored in the fleshy fruit mesocarp, example avocado. Some plants like oil palm stores the oil in both mesocarp as well as the endosperm of the fruit. And the oil present in droplet in the cytoplasm of the seed cell is the oil bodies, which is surrounded by a membrane composed of phospholipids and protein. And the palm kernel and the coconut oil, which used to contain a higher amount of medium chain saturated fatty acids, which is essential for the human development, so they are required by the diet. And seed oils, where it contains small amount of phospholipids, carotenoids, tocopherol and plant sterols, which is mainly dependent on the species as well as the degree of processing of the seeds. So, and the other one thing is we are going to see is waxes, which is nothing but a long chain saturated and unsaturated fatty acids with a carbon number of fatty acids vary from 14 to 34. They use it to have a long chain alcohols carbon ranges from 16 to 30, which cannot be easily hydrolyzed by fats or digested by lipase. Example, beeswax, where the ester of palmitic acid contain 30 carbon alcohol, which is known as triaconchol. You can able to see the structure of beeswax. So while seeing what are the uses of waxes, they can be stored in the storage form, which acts as a metabolic fuel in marine phytoplanktons. They use it to have a variety of applications in paramedicals, cosmetics and different other industries. They are used in the manufacture of lotions, ointments and polishes. So these are the example, some of the waxes, which are lanolin from lamb wool, bee waxes, Carnauba waxes and spermatidia oil from whales. So the first one I am going to describe is a liquid wax, which is jojoba oil, which have a 50% of seed dry weight of jojoba, similar to sperm whale oil, which is made up of straight chain of esters, where the average total chain of the ester is 42 carbons. They use it to have a wide range of industrial uses, like including in cosmetic, pharmaceutical industries and some other plastic industries. They are used to be known as highly stable, so they can be easily stored for years without having a rancidity problem. So this is the structure of liquid wax, or else you can name it as jojoba wax. And the next one is we are going to see is cuticular wax, which is found in the outer cells of epidermal cells of the hydrophobic cuticle and the hydrocarbon odd chain alkenes and its derivatives. So of waxes, ester, free aldehydes, they used to contain free alcohols as well as the monoester of phenolic acid and aliphatic alcohols. So the function is to reduce the excessive loss and gain of water and helps in protecting the tissue from both chemical, physical and biological attacks of our body. So these are the sources where the spermaceti wax is found in the whale, and carnauba wax and the bee wax are the photos I have given in this slide. So I have given the lecture notes in the description. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BSc Agriculture and hit the bell icon to get the regular videos. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you. I will catch you in next videos.